In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create beautiful artistic page border using brush in Adobe Illustrator. First, set your fill color none. Now select the rectangle tool. Click anywhere on the artboard. Enter your page size. Click Window, Brushes to open the Brushes panel. Now click on the Brush Library menu. Go to Artistic. Select your favorite brush and apply it to the rectangle stroke. And just like that, your artistic page border is now ready. You can try different brushes to explore a variety of creative border style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorial.